We'll guide you through how to repost on X as a post. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To repost on X as a post, open Google Chrome on your desktop computer. Tap the search box at the top of the browser, type X, and press enter to visit the X website. Select the official X website link from your search results to ensure you are on the correct page. On the home page, if you already have an account, select Sign in to log in. Type your email address in the text box that appears and select Next to proceed. Type your X account username in the text box provided and select Next to continue to the password screen. Type your password in the field and select Login to access your X account. When asked about notifications, select Skip for now to bypass that screen without making changes. Pick your language from the menu and select Next to continue. Look through the available topics and interests and pick the ones you want on your feed. Select Next to save your choices. Follow at least one account to finish setting up your profile. Select Next to fully complete the setup and reach your home feed. Find and select the Explore button on the left side of your screen. Select the Search tab to find posts you want to repost. Type the username of the account whose post you want to repost and select that account from the suggestions that appear. Scroll through the account's posts to find the specific one you want. Select the post to open it and view the full content clearly. Scroll down to find the Repost button and click it to reveal your options. Select Quote from the menu options if you want to add your own caption to the repost. Alternatively, simply select the Repost button if you do not want to add any caption at all. Click on the text box and type your caption to accompany the reposted content. Make sure your post is set to Everyone Can Reply so others can freely engage with it. Click Post to share it on X immediately. To see your reposted content, select your profile button on the left menu and scroll down to find the post you just reposted displayed on your profile.